Hello everyone, today we are going to see the unboxing of Acon Mission Urinalysis Reagent 2 para glucose and protein. So guys, as you can see, this is the top and the front view of the kit. Let me show you the sides of the kit. So yeah, as you can see, this is the Mission Urinalysis Reagent Strip 2 para. The two parameters are protein and glucose. You can see the reference number here, U031021, and as you can see, the pack size is 100 strips and all the other details are present here. You can see the manufacturing address, Acon Biotech from China, and you can see the lot number, the manufacturing and the expiry date. So all these details are given here. Let me show you the back of it. So you can see this is the Mission Urinalysis Strip. So this is the other side of it, and you can see it can be stored between 2 to 30 degrees Celsius. It's a IVD product. So this is the front view of it. So guys, let me open this for you. So as you can see on the top, there is a leaflet. Let me take this for you. Yeah. So as you can see on the top, there is this leaflet, the Acon Mission. Yeah, this is the Acon Mission Urinalysis Reagent Strip. As you can see, it contains these different catalog numbers and all the instructions for use, the IFU. So let me keep this aside. And then we have the Acon Mission Urinalysis 2 para test reagents. Here as you can see, this is the Mission Urinalysis Reagent Strips. You can see this is from the Acon Biotech from China, and you can see the reference number here. U031021-2GE, and you can see the lot number, the manufacturing and the expiry date. As you can see, it is a C certified IVD product, and you can see it can be stored between 2 to 30 degrees Celsius. So guys, this is the unboxing of Mission Urinalysis Reagent Strips of 2 para glucose and protein. As you can see, it comes with a carton box, an IFU brochure. Then we have the Acon Mission Urinalysis Reagent Strips of 100 test strips. Together it comes the Acon Mission Analyzer. Thank you.